We've just talked a lot about encryption, and it is a fantastic tool for privacy, security, anonymity. In fact, I would say encryption is one of the few tools we have in security that really works. And because it's effective, your adversary will avoid attacking encryption directly in most cases. He will attempt to bypass it entirely. Adversaries who know what they are doing will always attack the lowest hanging fruit. They'll always be able to find the lowest hanging fruit. They will never attempt to brute force a password for your disk encryption when it's much easier to try to install a keylogger on your system first, or watch over your shoulder, or send you a phishing email. Attackers will simply try to bypass encryption. You have to take this into account. Security is what is called a weak link phenomena. It's only as strong as the weakest link in the chain. Good encryption is often the strongest link. Us, human beings, are usually the weakest link. In the section on OPSEC, or operational security, I discuss human weaknesses in security and what to do to prevent them. If you put lots of effort into your security but miss something big like not patching your browser or using poor passwords, you're just as insecure as if you had done nothing. This is the problem of security. Hours after narrowly failing to murder British Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher in the Brighton bomb, the IRA calmly announced, "Today we were lucky, but remember, we only need to be lucky once. You will have to be lucky always." Attackers have the advantage. They only have to be lucky once, and they shoot for the weak spots first. Make sure you mitigate your weakest links first before you concern yourself over detail. Your security engine needs to be running first before you even attempt to tune the engine. People and companies often fail to take the risk-based approach. I've seen time and money spent on encrypting laptops when the company is doing very little against its weakest spots like browser and email-based attacks, which will bypass disk encryption anyway. It's about risk and prioritizing your time and resources to mitigate the greatest risk first. We discuss ways encryption is attacked throughout the course, and here is a good read that I would recommend on how crypto systems actually do fail when they are attacked.